How's it going, Saran? Segway guys. So I just wanted to do a quick video on a nice little portable track stand. So a lot of people use that piece of cardboard, that corrugated cardboard, as like a center stand for the bike when they want to work on it. There are cheap options like this Pittsburgh one from Harbor Freight, which is like about 30 bucks. What I don't like about this one is when the bike's on it, depending on how you have it set up, it does move back and forth pretty easily. Um, but uh, but you know, it's affordable. Nice thick rubber on top, so it can support like a real full size dirt bike. So since I started traveling with this bike pretty often, and I always take off that front wheel, um, I wanted something like a foldable track stand. And most of them that you see like on eBay and stuff like that are like 80 bucks. And I'm like, oh man, that's a lot of money for like just a stool. But like a track stand like this does take up a lot of space. So I decided to, see what other options there were. And when I was looking at those track stands, those 16-inch track stands, I'm like, what if they have those, foldable step stools? And I picked up one of these, which is like just on Amazon for 20 bucks. 16-inch step stool with a 300-pound capacity. So obviously it's not something that you're going to use on like a 450cc dirt bike, but it's perfect for the Sur-Ron being only like 120 pounds, just the way it is. So this one, it just opens up just like any step stool, and it is about the same height, and the little tracks here are also rubber. So I'll go ahead and post some photos of them together with the bike on it. So yeah, give me a second for that. Yeah, so instead of posting photos, I'll just post a video of the bike on each track stand. So this is the cheap Pittsburgh track stand from Harbor Freight, 30 bucks. It's got that hole in the middle. The bike is right now balancing on the bash, and both of the wheels are actually off the ground. Again, if you're actually working on the bike, depending on how it's oriented, this kind of rocks, especially if you're on uneven ground. So I don't like to use this track stand that much because I've had the bike tilt on me as I'm like waxing up the chain and spinning that rear wheel, and then there's not a whole lot of clearance for the pedals. So if I'm spinning the wheel, or like backwards, for example, the cranks may hit the actual stand. All right, so this is the Inspired Living 16-inch foldable step stool. I'll post a link for it on Amazon if you guys are interested. Yeah, it's like just under 20 bucks. And yeah, if your piece of cardboard that you got with the bike, if you lost it or you're not using it anymore, or it's starting to collapse, this is a good replacement that doesn't take up a whole lot of space. So I like how the feet are separated, not on one little track like that. And you can use it either way. I like to use it the narrow side because the cranks on this pedal kit actually clear. So that's pretty handy. So I'll go ahead and post the link, and yeah, hopefully this helps some of you guys out who want a affordable stand and not shell out for a dirt bike one, and you guys need the space to tuck it away or lean it up against the wall. It's really hard to beat this $20 foldable stand.